Okay, now we can, I think we can move to part 3, topic 3 from part 1, develop and deliver a basic online course. Necessary knowledge and skills for building a basic online course. Having the pedagogical knowledge and technical skills for building a basic online course or lesson. Awareness of the basic online courses components. Have the pedagogical knowledge and technical skills for building and guiding information section in basic courses. Scheme for delivering the topic's content. In this topic, we will get to learn how to build online course as follows. We will start with stating the importance of each component of the online course component. Then we will state how to prepare the content of each component. After that, we will learn how to apply our courses on LMS. Okay. Okay, I see. I have some messages. I hope that all the members or the staff member have rejoined us. Okay, I have some messages here. Okay. Okay. I think the most of you has come back. Building the start here page. We will start with the start here page. What is the importance of the start here page? This is a student guide to properly begin the learning of the course. What are the components of the start here page? Welcome message, course overview, course tour, student guide, and icebreaker. The welcome message, it's important, and it is one of the icebreaker between the instructor and the students. The value of the welcome message. The first meeting with student in the course, thought it forms the it will give the first impression for the student also. So you might write your message in a friendly tone. Tell student about next stage in their course learning process. Suggestion to build it. Welcome the student, first of all. You can welcome your student. Sorry, I have some messages here. Okay. Okay. I have a message here that you can close the web browser and then reopen it again to join the session if you have any issue with it. Okay, guys. And you can also give some smart brief introduction about yourself. Yes. And tell about your expectations for their participation in the course, and describe in detail the required types of tools of interaction. This is the most of the welcome message. Course overview. What is the goal of the course overview? It gives the student an idea of how their course will be. It will stimulate the student and rise up their motivation. Suggestion: try to include the following. Not necessarily all, okay, but you have to try to include some of this or all. You have to start with the general purpose of the course, a summary of the course and the topics included, strategies used for teaching the course, and how the course is related to real life. Course tour. The goal of the course tour: it clarifies course list so students will become familiar of each component in the course and capable of recognizing the content of each of the link they may find. You can here provide, this is some suggestions here, provide a brief explanation of each of the links in the course list. Focus on what really matters for the student because this component is written from the student's perspective. Student guide. The goal of student guide. It clarifies the next step for students and how they can proceed in the course. Its value comes from the fact that it shows the student their learning curve. One of the best practices here is to write the content as direct instructions or imperatives. Icebreaker activities. The goal of icebreaker. This activities aims to create a cooperative environment and a sense of social affiliation by creating a visual society between the student and the instructor. And especially it will be very important with the distance learning. Suggestion here: ask students to introduce themselves. Yes. And guide them on how and where to do so. Usually a new forum is made for this activity. You can make a special forum for this activity. Also ask them to answer these questions. Why are they studying this course? What are their strategies to pass? What are their fears? And what are they looking forward to learn? This is good questions that you can put it in the icebreaker activities. Then what I suggest here is to set up a forum, a special forum to interact with your student. Application on the learning management system, how to do it, and how we can achieve this start page. The required skill as a Blackboard user instructor: you need how to add an item, or menu item. This is the skills that we need.